Zed Wild here. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Cornwall. We're just near Lizard Point here. I think that's looking down to Housel Bay Hotel down there, isn't it? But just listen to the peace and quiet in April. Evening time. Hardly any tourists about, just one or two. It's not the holiday season. It's a Stonechat. Very typical coastal bird in Cornwall. Wish I could get it a better focus. And there's Lizard Point. And there's Lizard Lighthouse. And finishing with a lovely pastoral view of cows. Lizard Lighthouse there. Cross in the direction of Lizard Point. And over there in the direction of Housel Bay. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Cornwall.